If you feel stuck on the last 10 pounds, it's usually not effort, it's structure. Most people at this stage are already trying hard. They're eating better, moving more, and paying attention. And when nothing changes, it starts to feel personal. I didn't fix this with more discipline. I fixed this with a system. I'll show you exactly what I changed. So the last 10 pounds are different from the first pounds. They don't respond well to pressure. What usually happens is people try to restrict more, tighten their rules, and try to force progress. But plateaus aren't a motivation problem, they're a friction problem. Every tiny decision you make during the day drains your energy. What to eat, when to eat, and whether you're being good enough. And when decisions pile up, consistently, quietly disappears. So instead of trying to become more disciplined, I removed the decisions entirely. And one of the biggest changes I made was increasing my vegetables far beyond what I thought was even possible. Not as punishment, not as restriction, but as volume, nourishment, and stability. I eat a lot of vegetables, more than most people expect when they hear weight loss. Every meal is built around volume. Starches for fuel, beans or tofu for staying power, and a large amount of vegetables for balance. The vegetables aren't decoration, they're the structure that keeps the system steady. You okay? The old sister, the old brother. Yeah. I build meals that repeat, not because I lack creativity, but because repetition creates stability.
We'll wait for the house. Close my eyes. That's absolutely too much. What do I do?
You want to eat all these vegetables?
Absolutely not.
Why not?
I batch cook starches, tofu or beans, and vegetables, so the foundation is always ready.
Making your own breakfast. I'm so proud.
Thanks, all it's going to make me hungry for...
When I cook, I'm not cooking for one moment, I'm cooking for future meals. The goal isn't excitement, the goal is reliability.
The brightest yellow you ever saw? Sure.
Look how bright that yellow is.
Oh, that is really bright. Like the sun, huh?
Yeah.
Obvious.
I want to see if it glows in the dark.
Okay. Aww.
Reliability is what carries you through plateaus. When food is predictable, the body relaxes into consistency.
Baby, stand up off that and get your, not till you get your fork. Okay.
I want to talk to Dad now.
There's no bargaining, no overthinking, no starting over tomorrow, just a calm system running in the background. This is what weight loss looks like when it's sustainable, quiet, repeatable, and boring in the best way.
The last 10 pounds don't come off because people push harder. They come off when the path gets easier, when meals are decided early, when vegetables are abundant, when structure replaces willpower. The plateau stops being a fight. It becomes a process. And when the system is calm, the body follows.